How to screenshot without button on Realme. So let's get started. Now, whenever you want to take a screenshot in your Realme device, you had to press the power button and the volume key button to screenshot. Now, if you would like to screenshot without that button, what you can do is open up settings in your mobile device, and in the search bar, search for accessibility menu. Then tap on it. Then from here, tap on accessibility menu. Now, once you get to this page, it says accessibility menu. Now you can have this accessibility menu on your screen to control your device. You can lock your device, control volume, brightness, take screenshot, and more. Now to turn on accessibility menu, shortcut, turn on this toggle. Here, tap on allow and then tap on got it. Now you will have this accessibility menu on your screen. If you tap on it, you will have multiple options. Now to screenshot, tap on this arrow icon and there you will see screenshot. So simply tap on screenshot and with that you can screenshot your screen. Now if you go back to your home page, you will have your screenshot. You will have this accessibility menu right here and you can again screenshot. So that's how you can take screenshot in your Realme device without any button. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.